draw limits to... Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to purchase and activate a Revolut eSIM right from your phone. Perfect for travelers who want data without hunting for a SIM card. First, open your Revolut app and head to the Lifestyle tab from the bottom menu. Next, tap eSIM, then hit Get Data Plan. Here, you'll choose your coverage area. Asterisk after that, pick the amount of data you need. Revolut offers different data packages, so select the one that fits your trip and usage. Once you're ready, tap Continue to checkout to purchase your plan. Keep in mind that prices vary depending on coverage and duration. Your data plan's validity period starts on the purchase date. But if it's your first time buying, the countdown begins only once your eSIM is ready to install. So you're not wasting days before you start using it, and that's it? You now have your Revolut eSIM ready to go. No queues, no physical cards, just instant data wherever you are. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick fintech guides, and let me know in the comments if you want a video on how to top up your eSIM data in Revolut.